Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, post the sharp dip which we saw on Tuesday, Nifty rebounded 1%, while Bank Nifty ended the day on a flat note, continuing its underperformance amidst lower T-1 rollovers as compared to Nifty. However, the recovery was broad-based as 79.24% of the Nifty 500 constituents ended the day in the green, with an average gain of 2.5%. Even amongst the ones ending the day negative, 78% of them were down less than 2% for the day. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index is consolidating in the range of 103, 103.6, while the US 10-year bond yields have stabilized at 4.10%. Meanwhile, Brent crude continues to remain steady in the range between $75 to $80 a barrel. A quick check on the global markets. The S&P 500 is consolidating at elevated levels, and now it needs to sustain above 4,870 on a closing basis for fresh buying momentum to emerge. Looking at the larger picture, the trend continues to remain bullish until it remains above the levels of 4,800. We believe that till the time it remains above 4,800, the index can move towards the psychological mark of 5,000 on the upside, while below 4,800 the next support is placed at 4,680, 4,700 levels. Coming to Nifty, the resistance is likely to be seen at 21,520, 21,540 levels, while on the downside support is placed at 21,340, 21,370 levels. In case 21,340 is breached, the index can slide towards the levels of 21,270, 21,230 on the downside. While above 21,540, the index could witness a rebound towards 21,630, 21,680 levels. Coming to the OI data, the cumulative future open interest has surged by 2.6% for the day, while the price was up 1.39%, indicating long built up in Nifty in trade yesterday. Also, the T-1 rollovers for Nifty has been above average at 65%, while Nifty PCR for the current monthly expiry is at 0.81. Put writing is seen at 21,400, 21,300 strikes, while 21,500 and 21,600 calls have seen aggressive writing. The overall range for the day could be 21,330 on the downside and 21,560 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, rollovers, that is T-1 in Bank Nifty is much below average at 57% and largely speaks of the underperformance in Bank Nifty. Going forward, 45,380, 45,460 is likely to act as a resistance, while support is seen at 44,700, 44,650 zone. In case 44,650 breaks, the index is likely to test the next support placed at 44,400, 44,350 levels, while above 45,460, Bank Nifty could witness short covering rally towards 45,800, 45,900 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is currently weaker at 0.58 levels. Tracking the option chain, significant open interest built up is witnessed in 45,200, 45,300 calls, and on the put side it is mainly seen in the 45,000 strike, implying a range of 45,450 on the upside and 44,650 on the downside for the coming few sessions. The major companies which would be announcing their results today are AU Bank, ACC, Chola, Hind Petro, JSW Steel and VDL. Stocks and sectors which are in momentum. So the IT pack witnessed good traction in trade yesterday. The likes of Bsoft, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, HCL Tech saw resurgence in buying momentum and looking strong at the current levels too. Pharma counters continued their positive traction. The likes of Cipla, Lupin, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Zydus Life have witnessed strong momentum and robust chart structure. From the broader market, bullish setup was observed in Power Grid, BPCL, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Auto, REC Limited, Policy Bazaar, Cummins, Apollo Tyre, Fortis, HFCL, Hudco, IDBI, KEI, Borosil Renewable, NBCC, Hind Copper, Maharashtra Bank and LG Equipment. Coming to the FII DI data, in the cash segment, FII sold to the tune of 6,934 crores, while DIs bought to the tune of 6,012 crores. Coming to the FII long short ratio for index futures has improved to 48.41 on a net basis, as they have bought 10,273 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs bought to the tune of 74,017 contracts, while on the options front, FIs sold 27,553 call contracts and sold 62,764 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.